All right, tech enthusiasts, put on your seatbelts because Google is revving up its engines in the AI race with something freshly baked. Yep, today we're chatting about Google's latest AI prototype, codenamed Project Mariner. This shiny new bit of tech got unveiled recently, and it could be the next big thing. Perhaps even the elusive killer use case that all AI nerds out there are eagerly pining over. So what's this Mariner all about? Well, picture it as a Chrome extension with a brainy twist. It's powered by Google's own Gemini 2.0 technology. But hold your digital horses because it's still experimental and not available to the general public yet. Sorry, eager beavers, but there's a trusted tester waitlist for those who want first dibs. What makes Mariner truly fascinating is its ability to operate within your browser, using something Google calls strong multimodal understanding and reasoning capabilities. Essentially, it means this prototype is designed to automate some pretty complex tasks across different websites for you. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I wouldn't mind some AI magic dealing with my ever-growing list of online errands. In the promo video that Google released, Mariner flexed its muscles by using a Google sheet of company names and scouring the internet for their contact information, while narrating its thought process, of course, like a true AI philosopher. However, don't expect it to start working as your background assistant yet. The current prototype needs to be front and center while it does its thing. But it's not all champagne and confetti. Google itself pointed out that Mariner can sometimes, well, mess up. And with speed as an ambition, they're working closely with developers to optimize the zen between interaction and execution. Better smooth than sorry, as they say. Now, with major tech giants tossing billions into AI, one question still casts a shadow. Will AI find its all-important killer use case? Just like Excel gave Microsoft wings and iTunes was manna from heaven for Apple, what's AI's moment to shine going to look like? And could it be Mariner? So what do you think? Is Project Mariner the stepping stone towards AI's big league acceptance? Or is it just another chapter in Google's adventure skydiving through technology spheres? Let me know what you're excited or skeptical about regarding Google's AI ventures. I'm all ears. Leave those zingy comments below, and let's get the conversation roaring. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.